Everybody, just going to check in with a quick update of what's going on in our move and all that. So as you know, we sold our house, and I think it was on the market a day or two, and we've gone through the inspection period and all that, and now we hired a moving company to move us. Well, let me back up a minute. We've moved into that rental property, and a rental house. It's about 10 minutes from here. The kids came last Sunday and helped us move. But, you know, our house is 2,700 square feet, and our rental house is about 1,400 with both floors, but we're only using one floor. So essentially we went from 2,700 square feet to 750 square feet. So we set up the house down there, moved everything we needed. So there's still a ton of stuff left in the house. Today our goal is to, we're going to move the shop. So this is going to be quite a task. We've got all this stuff, all my machines over here. So here's what we're up against. This is all got to be cleaned out of here today. Router table, planer, bandsaw, drill press. This is my dust collection mobile cart. Got the sander station, the planer. The wood stove is staying. The toolbox is going to the rental house for now, for this winter. But all this stuff's got to go. My table I built here for working on the bikes. I'm going to leave the lawnmower here for a little bit longer because it's mid-October and we've still got some leaves to clean up. All this stuff, the radio alarm saw, that thing weighs a ton. The air compressor. So it's going to be a challenge. I'm going to miss this little shop, that's for sure. I did a lot of good stuff in here. The Jeep projects, a lot of woodworking. It's a cozy spot with the wood stove and all, but the new spot's nice. I got my 20-foot trailer here I have for my tractor and my excavator, my old F350. So the kids are coming to help. So good look at the house. So the kids are on the way. Jen will be here and the two boys, and they each have a truck. So we should be able to get most of it done. You know, if I don't get all of it done and I have to take a few runs during the week, we still have pushing 2 weeks. Today's the 11th and we're closing on the 22nd. So we're doing this today. There's still a few things in the house that we have to move, you know, just bags of clothes and whatnot. All the heavy lifting's done. Then a moving company's coming Thursday to move our remaining furniture into a storage unit that's right across from the house that we're living in. So that'll be handy. And then in the spring, when the house is done, the new house is done, I hope it's the spring, we'll move everything to the new house. So living in the little house is actually, it's fun. It's easy. It's convenient. It's, you know, it's easy to clean. It's easy to take the garbage out. You know, here we have a 700-foot driveway. There we walk 30 feet and the garbage is out. So, you know, it's cheap. It's nice. You know, I redid the kitchen and we had the floors all done. You saw that maybe in a previous video, but so we're looking forward to having a nice, easy winter there while we can get this project behind us, the big move, get this behind us, and just have a nice, easy winter, and we can focus on building the new house. So I'll take you back later. We'll see how far we get. Another thing is, yesterday we had the garage doors installed on the new garage at the new house. So I'm able, and I put a new door, a man door they call it. So I'm able to lock that up. So I feel confident moving some of this stuff down there. So I'll take you back maybe when we're down there at the new house. All right, see ya. Well, it's October 20th, 2020. I'm here to pick up the last few things from our old house, and I'm going to take one last walk through. Me and Sadie. What do you think, Sadie? Do you want to stay in the truck or you want to go? I think she's going to stay in the truck. So one last walk through the house. I still can't believe it that we're selling this house, but I still can't believe that we're selling the house, but it's the right thing. Yesterday we went down to the new place and went down to the shore, had dinner, and it was just great. So anyway, here's the garage all cleaned out. Let me turn the light on. All cleaned out, swept out, all ready to go. Dark. Guest bedroom was my dad's room. Empty except for the TV bracket, whatever you call those things, holder upper. This is where my dad spent the last 4 years of his life. Kitchen. Beautiful cherry cabinets. Did that backsplash. I made this island years ago. Soapstone on the top. Put the microwave in there. The dining room. In the big room where we had all the house concerts, over here in the corner, a lot of people played over there. The fireplace. I can't believe years from now I'm going to look back on this video and remember this house. It's not going to be in my memory. It's not going to be fresh in my memory. I'm going to have to look at this. I got to use the blower and blow it all out. We got all the windows cleaned in the room yesterday. That's it, the empty shop. So we did it. 16 years in this house. We're going to miss it, but we're very excited about moving on and moving up. Downsizing, moving down. We're moving 30 miles south of here into a smaller place, so peace out. See you next time from White Pine Woods. All right, see ya.